Bob! Don't sneak up on me like that.
Why are you pumping in public?
Well, I thought I was alone.
Paul, your pumping problem has gone too far.
I've grown numb to it, Bob. I have been dealing with pumping dysfunction and ugly lung disorder.
Your lawn is nasty. It's the worst on the block.
Yeah, it is pretty terrible.
Oh, it's time to put away that little pump of yours and pick up some proper power. Like your twin brother next door. No pumping, no leaking, just pure power.
He really does have a green lawn.
That's because he has the HD 4000. A sprayer so good, even the pros use it. With a battery that lasts up to 8 hours. So he can last all day long.
So with the HD 4000, I could last all day long?
Paul's finally ready to leave pumping dysfunction behind. Are you? It's time to ditch the excuses, take control, and own the lawn of your dreams.